In this video you are going to learn how to add geolocation to your business listing on pogogoa.com website. There are two ways of doing this. The first method shows how to get the latitude and longitude codes from Google Maps. The second method shows how to add a drop pin to your business location within the user dashboard itself. The first method. To get geolocation coordinates, go to maps.google.com. Type your address and zoom to the exact location of your business. Right-click and the coordinates will be displayed. Click on the coordinates and they will be copied. Paste these coordinates into your listing page. The second method. To add geolocation drop pin to your business location, sign in and go to User Dashboard. Click on Listings on the left sidebar. Click on the three dots on the right side of the listing you want to edit and click on Edit on the drop-down menu. The listing edit page will open. Click on Drop Pin. If you get a pop-up message that Google Maps do not work on this page, just click OK. You may have to click OK twice for the pop-up box to disappear. Use the zoom to find the exact location of your business. Drag the red color drop pin the exact location of your business. As you drop the pin from one place to another, you will notice that corresponding changes are taking place in the latitude and longitude boxes. If required, location can always be fine-tuned later using Edit option. Click Save and Preview and you are done. All additions are approved by moderator and may take some time to reflect on the published page. If you have any more queries, join our Facebook group. This is a private group only for Pogogoa users. Discussions are a great way of sharing and learning. Let's actively participate and make this platform beneficial for everyone.